up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sara Irani, and if you want to join #QTV, you just need to subscribe down below, click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. As you know by the title, I'm gonna do the Samyang review video, and for today's video I have this brand called Samyang, which is very popular, but this ramen is not that popular. So this is called the Sutha ramen. It's made in Korea, it's halal, and I have no idea if it's veg or non-veg. I'm not sure because there is no dots and nothing, but the ramen is a little soupy. So this is how it looks. I can show you, but yeah, I've just topped it with some green onions. This is how it looks. It looks yummy actually. It's very hot, and they have recommend कि बनाने के बाद आप green onions डालें, so it will taste nice, more nice actually. So we'll just first taste the broth. I'm just so curious. It's tasty. It's a little tomato flavory. It's spicy at the same time. Not the spicy, just a थोड़ा सा kick है उसमें, and it's very nice actually. It's very different, and so यहाँ पे it's nothing is written actually. It's just written that it's halal and it's made in Korea. The name is Sutha Ramen. The company's name is Samyang, which is a very popular brand, as you guys know. And this had 2 packets again, but the packets were very different because I am really used to that Samyang का hot वाला sauce जो होता है red packet and the white black वाला flake वाला packet. So ये बहुत अलग था. Flake वाला packet was literally green color and the soup base was the red color. It was very different, as you guys saw in the video, and now we'll just go ahead and taste this. So the texture is also different. It's not the usual Samyang wala texture. It's very different. We'll just taste it. It's very bouncy. The taste is very subtle. It's very like tomatoey and as same as like spicy, but not spicy. Spicy is just थोड़ा सा kick है spiciness का, and it's थोड़ा सा tangy also, but इतना taste नहीं है actually. The super spicy का I guess super spicy भी इसकी तरह ही taste करता है, but super spicy is spicy and this is not spicy. ऐसा मैं बोल सकती हूँ. It's nice. It's very subtle. It's very nice to have like hot खाने के लिए बहुत सही रहेगा ये. And the cost I guess is I don't know the cost, but if I get the link, I'll link this in the description box below for sure. And this ramen is like different. I will suggest you to go with the Nongshim kimchi ramyeon out of the 3 ramen I reviewed recently, because they are not like overpowering wala taste, like कुछ taste ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's like the subtle taste. And जो kimchi ramyeon है, it's very tangy. It's not spicy, it's very tangy, but it's very yummy. I would really suggest the Nongshim kimchi ramen. It's veg. First, it's veg and it's very yummy. So I will really suggest, if you are like a noodle soupy kind of a girl, so I will really suggest that. But this is also not bad if you don't like overpowering taste, so you can go with this. This is very subtle and very nice. This is not that famous actually, but The brand is famous. As the name suggests कि noodles are chewy करके, the noodles are not chewy actually. Like it's very bouncy, I would say. It's very bouncy and very nice actually, but they are not chewy as they say here, but it's nice. The taste is also nice, but these three have a little similar taste, I will say. Like जो मैंने recent review video किया था, that is the super spicy, the Nongshim super spicy, the Nongshim Shin ramen noodle soup, and this the Sutha ramen. They have a little similar taste, I would say, but the spiciness is alag. So yeah, that's the thing. If you get Nongshim Shin ramen, you will like it, I would say. In तीनों में से if you like spicy, go with the super spicy one. If you want to try Nongshim brand ka like the noodle soup, you can go with the Shin ramen. But if you get kimchi ramyeon noodle soup, I would really go with that because it's very yummy. It's not spicy, I would say. It's very tangy and it's very yummy. I would really suggest the kimchi ramyeon. And yeah, the Sutha ramen is very similar to that also. It's not that different, I would say. It's very similar. It's a little different, but it's very similar. And yeah, I guess this is it for this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram and please subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 1K subscribers. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Like, comment, share, and support me as you always do. We love you. God bless you. Stay safe.